Hello everyone, today's topic is related to transitive, intransitive and ditransitive verbs. Definitions with quiz examples. So let's get started. What is transitive verbs? A transitive verb requires a direct object to complete its meaning. For example, there should be subject, then verb, then object. We will understand your examples in the next slides. Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not need a direct object. Without object, it gives clear and complete meaning. And the structure is subject plus verb. We don't need any object here. The third is ditransitive verbs. A ditransitive verb takes two objects, usually a direct object and an indirect object. For example, structure should be subject, verb, indirect object and direct object. Now let's come towards the quiz. Transitive verbs quiz. Identify the object. She wrote. She wrote what? Now the sentence is incomplete. You have to put an object. So the object should be she wrote what? She wrote later. The second is they built. They built what? They built a building. The third is I painted. What you painted. So in transitive verbs there is a question that is what. Now the third is I painted. You painted what? You painted wall. Right? So I hope transitive verbs you got. Transitive verb needs of an object. Without object it does not give clear and complete meaning. The second quiz is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs, if the sentence needs an object, no object needed. For example, the baby cried. So it does not need an object. Birds fly. He laughed loudly. Now, in these sentences, there is no need of an object or an indirect object because these sentences give clear and complete meaning. The third quiz that is related to ditransitive verbs. The first example we are having, that is she gave dash a gift. Now here we have to use indirect object. She gave what? She gave me, or she gave him, or she gave them a gift. Then the second is I sent dash a message. I sent him a message. Now here him performs as an indirect object. As you know, in these sentences we are having two objects, a gift, a message, and here if we put me, so me also comes in object, and him also comes in object. The third is they taught dash a lesson. They taught them or they taught me a lesson. So here we are using me. I hope this video has been helpful for you. So I need your sentences in the comment section. Please make two or one sentences regarding transitive, intransitive and ditransitive verbs. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.